markets, Nifty opened on a flat note today and thereafter continued to drift lower throughout the day, ending the day on a negative note, down 44 points for the day. The market breadth was also negative with 625 advances to 874 declines. From the Nifty 50 pack, we had HDFC Limited, Hindustan Unilever, Reliance, HDFC Bank, Kotak Bank closing in a negative today, while Bharti Airtel, M&M, Coal India, Lupin, Infosys, ITC managed to close the day on a positive note. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, we can observe that the Nifty has, for the second consecutive day trade, closed on a negative note. It has closed just around that 40-day exponential moving average. Intraday we saw a dip below that. However, in the last half an hour of the trading session, we saw the market just closing around that area or closing around that moving average. However, we feel that in the coming trading sessions, the downtrend is still intact and the fall should continue in the coming trading sessions. So we continue to maintain a negative stance on Nifty for a target of 8600 on the downside. Now moving on to the hourly charts, we can observe that the Nifty has achieved its previous wave equality target in today's trading session, and our sense is that the hourly momentum indicator has also given a positive crossover, so we might just see a pullback in the coming trading sessions. However, that pullback should be used as a selling opportunity because we feel that the downside is still more left, and any rise that we get in the Nifty should be sold into. Therefore, the strategy should be to sell on rise if we get a bounce in the coming trading sessions. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty was also weak in today's trading session and has closed on the day on a negative note. It has closed below the 20 and 40 daily moving averages, which is a bearish sign. In today's trading session, the daily momentum indicator has also triggered a negative crossover. So now the price has already confirmed the negative trend, and in today's trading session, the momentum has also given a negative crossover. So it is very much possible that the fall will continue in the coming trading sessions until the Bank Nifty reaches some crucial support on the downside. For the Bank Nifty, crucial supports are placed at 18,900 and 18,500. On the upside, 19,225 and 19,410 are crucial resistances. So overall, friends, the view on the Nifty and Bank Nifty remain negative. We expect the selling pressure or the downtrend to continue in the coming trading sessions, and hence we continue to maintain a negative stance on Nifty for a target of 8600. Crucial supports on the downside for Nifty are placed at 8677, which is today's low, and below that 8600, which is our short-term target. The upside 8778 and 8840 are crucial resistances. That's all for the day. Thank you.